what's up? It's me, Markia, and I'm back with another video. Fresh face, no makeup, no nada. You guys are probably wondering. Woo! Y'all are probably wondering what the hell is up with my hair, because I got one frizzy side and then I got one curly defined side, and this is like, you know, perfecto, you know, period. Anyways, this was a wash and go I did about 3 days ago. 3 days is still, I think, you know, isn't, you know, long or anything, but I'm still trying to figure out how to preserve my wash and goes the next day. But until we master that, we gonna do what I'm doing right now, and that's trying to revive it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I don't have no money to be buying extra products, okay? So I'm gonna use what I have. So all that product that I put in my hair when I did my wash and go, I ain't using all that no more, okay? I'm not using all that conditioner. Ain't nobody got that. I don't got conditioner like that. I'm not finna, no. All right? We saving the coin and we mastering the curl, and that's on period. The first step to go ahead and, you know, the first step to doing this will be is this water. So we're gonna go ahead and section our hair. I like to work in sections, y'all. Finger comb. So we're going to use some product for the back of my hair. I still have some conditioner left on in the back of my hair, but honestly it's not a lot, and the back of my hair is a lot drier than the front, so I'm going to put a little leave-in conditioner on the back of my hair, but it's only gonna be like towards like the back and the middle sections of my hair because it's very dry. We're gonna put some conditioner on that bad boy. Yes, my hair is like thirsty back here. We're going to go ahead and take our Wetline Extreme gel. I really don't like this for anything other than, you know, like a wash and go or something. But it's straight, it's alright, I guess. I was trying to see what the hype was about. Like, it's so crazy. I never used to put gel on my wash and goes until like a month ago. And the first time I did it, I used the Wetline Extreme. And I was like, I mean, I guess it's alright or whatever, you know. I guess it did a little something. Period, poo. Period, okay? Y'all probably looking at this like, what in the hell is that? What in the hell? Y'all know. Look, my diamond brush broke. I mean, I can put it back together. It's just a little too tedious for me, so I'm using the old wig brush. We're gonna leave that alone now. I mean, it look crazy right now, but when it dry and shrink, it's gonna be straight. It's gonna be looking just like this, so period. Okay guys, so now that we're at the front of my head, I'm gonna show you how we do this here. So let me tell you how quick and simple and easy this is, okay? Now, water, my hair. So usually when I re-wet my hair, it reactivates the product that's already here. You wanna save a coin? This is how you do so. So I'm already, look, I haven't put anything in my hair, and you already see like the product kind of coming through and, you know, like kind of moisturizing my hair already. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like I don't have anything, I did not put anything in my hair. That's the product that's already in my hair. Now, with the product that's already in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Extreme Wetline Gel, extra hold, and I'm gonna slide this aqui. Oh, y'all, make sure y'all finger comb your hair. Like, this is, I have not taken any hair off my fingers. This is literally all of the hair that's come off, or that I've gotten since I've been finger combing my hair. I'm telling you guys, finger combing causes less breakage, and with less breakage, you have more hair on your head, and you see growth when your hair's growing because your hair's not breaking off. And yeah, so make sure you guys are doing that. So I do have heat damage on this side of my hair. No! I straightened my hair a couple of months back, and I got heat damage in the front of my hair, as you guys can see, because it's gonna curl a lot differently. Matter of fact, this side of my hair doesn't even shrink up to this length because it curls differently because of the heat damage. And basically that's all I do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let this side dry, and I will be back with an update. Okay, see you in a few. So this is the finished product, dry, stiff wear, so it's not stiff, which I like. It's not really hard, but then again, it's not crunchy, but it's not, you know, like soft, like buttercream soft or nothing like that either. But yes, this is the finished product, and I'm so happy with the result. I like it, not gonna lie, no cap, it's bomb, period. Okay, you see these curls? Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle in the comments below. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know. Alright, and let me know what y'all want to see next. I'm always taking suggestion box open to the public, period. And yeah, that's just that on that. Comment, like, subscribe, share, support your girl. Stop playing with me.